Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created a LinkedIn clone. So first of all I will just give the demo of this app, and then we will discuss my approach which I have taken to create this application. So first of all let me just open my terminal and run the backend and the front end. I'm in my LinkedIn clone folder, and my backend is running fine. And now in this front end folder I'll just run this command npm run dev, which will run my front end. So coming to this link, it will get load up. Let's wait for a few seconds. Here it is. So let me log in with one user, which I will name as Kiteki. Username would be Kiteki. Email just any test email. Okay, and password, simple password. By clicking on agree and join, you have seen the notification popped up, account created successfully. And this is the home page, which is distributed in multiple parts. This is the nav bar. The code written for the nav bar is separate, and these are the sidebar, and these are the suggested users showing here. So let me start the demo of this. Suppose this is the Bobdo, and you want to send the connection request to this user Bobdo. And if you click on this connection request sent successfully. And now let me log in to this user. Which is Bobdo. Password is simple. So I'm logged in as Bobdo right now, which I have already created in the database. So as you can see, there is a connection request from Wokiteki, and you can see the option for accepting and rejecting the request. So if you click on accept, you can see the pop-up came here, connection request accepted, and the UI changed to connected. Now if you go to the user, this Wokiteki, you can see one notification here. If you click on this, you can see like Bob Doe accepted your connection request. And there are two options as well. You can either delete this notification, or you can mark this as read. If you mark this as read, this I button will go from here. Now if you go to home, now Bob Doe and this walkie-talkie is connected, and that is why here one connection is showing. So if this user Bob Doe will create a will post something like this is my first post on LinkedIn. Okay, and if he shares it, you can also add the photo here. If you click on this photo button, it will take you to your file explorer, from which you can just take any of this picture. I will take this Netflix one, so I will write just Netflix and chill. Okay, so Bobdo is posting this. He shared it, and the post created successfully notification popped out, and you can see the notification here. Now if you go to the user walkie talkie, this notification is showing here. So if you click on the like, and you can also comment on this, I also want to chill. Okay, and you comment on this. Now if you go to this Bobdo, you can see the two notifications popping up here, which is saying like walkie-talkie commented on your post and walkie-talkie like your post. And now if you click on this post here, it will take you to this Netflix and chill post. This photo got degraded, I think. No worries, but everything is running fine, right? So next is if if you can see it here, if you go to this me tab here, this is your profile, okay? So you can just edit this profile from here. If you click on edit profile, the buttons will show up. If you click on this camera icon, you can just select your profile image. I will select this one, and you can just update this location. I will select as India, and uh, web developer. Okay, now if you click on save, the details are saved now and profile updated successfully here. So if you can edit this these sections as well, like edit. I am a web developer. You can save it. You can save the experience here as well. Like title is web developer, and company you can select anything. Like I am selecting Meta, and if you click on this icon, this calendar will show here. Let's suppose I have just joined 1 month before, and if you click on this I currently work here checkbox, this end date would be removed from here. See, okay. So if I selected that I currently work here, description is like I am in a backend team, okay. And you can add this experience and save the changes. It will look something like this. And you can add the skills as well, like Mongo and React, Node, okay. And you can save these changes, and you can edit them as well. You can remove this also. So now this is the me, this is my profile page, okay. And if you go to some user profile page like Bethdo, you cannot see the options here to edit their any section like about experience, okay. And this is the post created by Bob Doe. And let's suppose I create one post. This is a post by Walkie Talkie. So this is the post created by me, so that's why this delete icon is showing here. And this post is created by this Bob Doe user, that is why no delete option is showing here. So now if you go to this Bob Doe profile page, you can see the delete button on this post, and you cannot see the delete button on this post, okay. And now if you go to this my networks page, you can see all your connections here, which is showing like connected. By this you can visit your profile. You can see all the notifications here. This Bob accepted your connection request. This is my network page, and this is your home page. Everything looks fine. Now coming to the code base here, okay. So first of all, I have just committed these changes. The steps I have taken: first I have set up this backend setup, then I commit this change, and so on, like auth routes, user route, post route. So first of all I have created this backend, the server which is running on port number 5000, and I've used these npm packages like cors, cookie parser, and connectdb. And if you go to this lib file, I have created the database here, which I'm using the MongoDB. So you can just go there and log in, and MongoDB will create a string for you. You can just connect to the database there. Now coming to the routes. Okay, so first I have created these auth routes, which is like slash sign up slash login slash logout. And when you hit this route, this sign up function will run. Oh, what happened? This sign up function will run, and if you hit this login route, this login function will run, and if you hit this logout, the logout function will run. And I am just importing these functions from this auth.controller.js, which is present here, and I have written this logic here. This is the backend authentication logic, in which I have used JSON web tokens and salt and hashed password. Hashed password because you cannot store password directly into the database. You have to hash them so that no intruder can hack your site easily. Next, I have created this user route, which is like suggestion. Get all the suggestion like this, all the suggestion users. For this I have created one route, and for this username, this is the profile. This URL will take you to this user profile of a particular user. If you want to access any, if you want to access the profile of any particular user, this link will take you to that. And this put, I have created this put request to update the profile, which is helping you to create all this editing. You can just edit from there. I have just written the logic in this user controller file. You can go through it. I will put the github repo link here. You can just go through it. Next, I have created these post routes. This slash, you can get all the feed post of your connections. From the, you can only get the post of the users to which you are connected. Okay, and router dot post is this route will help you to create one post. Like when you go on home, this is this route will help you to create a new post. Okay, and router dot delete, this delete post function is doing like it is deleting the post from the database as well. Okay, and this route is used to get the post, a particular post. And this route is helping you to create a comment, and this is helping you to update the number of likes you can create. Okay, so this is the back end. And coming to the front end, let me show you once. Let me go to the source file. In app.jsx, I have imported this route from the React Router DOM, and I have used the TailwindCSS and DaisyUI for the components. So these are multiple routes which are taking you to the different URLs. If you click on this, so what I have done here, if you if you are the authenticated user, then you are able to access the home page. Otherwise, you will be navigated to the login page. Similar like sign up, if you are not the authenticated user, you will be navigated to sign up page. Otherwise, you will be navigated to the home page. Similarly to these all, network tab, notification tab, login tab. On the basis of this, you are just accessing this application. And if you go to the source file, I have created some pages. These are the auth pages, login page, and the sign up page. This is just the tailwind classes. Nothing more much in that. And this is the home page. This is the most bulk chunk, you can say, in this whole code base. And this is the networks page. This is the notification page. This is just the simple tailwind css classes. And I have also used this lucid react to use these icons you can see here, like delete icon, these home icons. All the icons I have just imported from this lucid react package. And this is the post page, and this is the profile page. And coming to the components, you can see the about section, education section. This is all here: about section, experience, education, and friend request, profile header, recommended, sidebar. This is sidebar. So this is just a tailwind css classes I have used, and the DaisyUI and some lucid react icons to create this simple and good looking, similar to LinkedIn. I hope so. So please go to the GitHub repo and try to pull this code in your local machine and try to run this. And this is it for the front end and back end. I hope you like my approach to create this LinkedIn profile. And if you guys have any suggestion to improve this clone, please let me know in my comment section. And if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. And so see you guys in the next video. Bye, take care.